Hello friends, so today we are talking about this sporty bot rockerz headphones. These are from bot. The variant is rockerz and we got it from Amazon. You can see the sporty look from this packaging all itself. The cool packaging they have given. I've just sanitized this box. As you know, this is the COVID situation currently all around us. So Jacqueline is the ambassador of it. You can see over here, so we can just have a look at the main features of it. Microphone, it is coming with microphone with volume control. It is play with wirelessly via mobile or tablet or TV or anything else you have any device you can connect it with. Hands-free pickup and a redial. You can just directly call anyone, you can cut the call, you can redial from it. Redial is a good feature in it. Soft ear cups, the ear cups, you can see the sporty look of it, but the ear cups you are looking at it here, we will just open it and we will show you. So these are cool and comfortable, as I got from the reviews, user reviews. Compatible with Android, iOS and Windows. And the next thing is built-in rechargeable battery. The main thing is it is giving off music playback 10 hours, charging time of 2 hours maximum, and standby time of 180 hours, guys. So this is cool, this is pretty cool. And one thing, let me tell you about the reviews, the user reviews. At Amazon there are somewhere around 19 to 20,000 reviews we got. Those 19,000 reviews, everyone has given, most of the guys have given 5 rating to it, 5 or 4 they have given. So the almost rating, the average rating is 4.5 for this headphone out of 5. So this is best. I can bet you won't be getting anything better than this in 2000 rupees. This is less than 2000. So the remaining thing we will just tell you. Let me just open it. So guys, this is it. See the quality, I can touch and feel it, the quality of this headphone. This is best. I purchased almost 10 to 12 headphones till now and I have not got this quality because I have not gone beyond the 2000 rupees. So that is the only budget I am having, because no headset works more than 1 year or 2 years with me. So that's why it just happens I used to go with 2000, maximum 2000 rupees headphones only. So this is pretty cool. The color I got, this is for the minimum price. If you will say, there are 4 variants: red, orange, this is viper green, I can say. So I got this viper green color for 1789 rupees, and you can get maximum 1999 the blue color. So the color is having some different variations. I don't know why they are charging for color, but yeah, it's your choice. I'll not be roaming around. I'll just put it on my head and ears and I'll just enjoy the music inside home. So this is good, this is cool, guys. Here we have the all operational buttons. Over here, this is forward and backward, next or previous for songs. This is the light. This is the plus minus volume button. Here we have USB charging point. So what we got in the box: one manual we got, or we can say brochure here, one aux cable we got, and one charging cable. This is USB charging cable, the P type charging cable you are getting, and the length is good of this charging cable. So just let me play it once, then I'll tell you the experience of it, how it is. I just see what it is, how it is looking. These are the lights blinking over here. Here is the button, the power button, from where you can power it on, switch it off. You can pick up the calls, you can redial, you can end calls. So this is cool. They have given this button over here. If they have given here, you need to find it somewhere while you have plugged it in your ears. So this is very difficult to find buttons over here rather than here. You can just directly pick up a call. Okay, so this is cool, guys. The stuff, the quality it is having, it is very good. I'll be telling you about the bass of it, the music quality, sound quality, how it is. So just give me few minutes, give me few moments, just wait. Guys, you can clearly listen the noise coming from this bot rockerz headphone. This is having great quality of sound, I will say, having great bass in it. Guys, this is must to go with such headphone which you have never experienced. This is good, this is cool. I will tell you, guarantee you will not be loving any other headphones apart from this headphone. This is awesome, guys. This is awesome completely. The bass is good, the sound is cool, the real theater experience you will be having at your home with these headphones. This is awesome, guys. Battery and all I'll be checking later on because I just opened it today and I just tried the sound and bass quality of it, the material what they have used. So everything looks good, fine, awesome. It is like I have no words to explain the beauty of this headphone. Just the color, don't go for the color because I'll not be roaming around by putting it in my ears. So I'll be sitting at home just listening this music and all my calls, everything I'll be taking with this headphone. So this one button step, you can connect it with your headphones. This is like, if according to your size you can adjust it also. So this feature is there. Rest, the material is cool. This is very comfortable on your ears. These ear cups are very cool. So this is must to go with. I'll give it a thumbs up. You can go with these bought rockerz headphones. This is awesome, guys. Thank you. Hope you like a video. If you like a video, please share, subscribe. Thank you.